Last month I made $1,500 on Fiverr using literally just ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you the exact 3-step system that got me there. No previous copywriting experience. No fancy software. Just free tools and the right prompts. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a 6-figure potential copywriting business on Fiverr using ChatGPT. By the end of this video you'll know the exact 3-step process, the specific prompts to use that actually convert, how to structure your Fiverr gigs so clients find you, and the pricing strategy that turns casual buyers into repeat customers. And stick around because the last method, the one barely anyone is talking about yet, is what took me from $300 a month to $1,500. Let's start with the foundation. Step 1 is understanding what type of copywriting sells on Fiverr. The highest paying gigs aren't blog posts or long-form content, they're sales pages, email sequences, and product descriptions. These are what I focused on first because one client can spend $200 to $500 on a single project. Here's how you start. Go into your Fiverr account, click Create a New Gig, and title it something like I will write a high-converting sales page using AI copywriting techniques. The key word here is high-converting. Clients search for results, not tools. In your description, you want to immediately tell them what they get. I create persuasive sales pages, email sequences, and product descriptions that drive conversions. Using proven copywriting frameworks combined with AI optimization, I'll deliver a page that sells. That's it. You're not overselling. You're being direct. Now here's the mistake most people make. They list AI as the hero. Don't. The client doesn't care if you use ChatGPT, Claude, or a typewriter, they care that the copy makes them money. So never lead with I use AI. Lead with results. Step 2 is the actual system inside ChatGPT. This is where the money happens. I use a 3-prompt framework that works every single time. First prompt, I paste the client's product description and ask ChatGPT analyze this product and identify the top 3 pain points it solves and the top 3 benefits it offers. Format as a simple list. ChatGPT gives me the angles. Second prompt, write a short-form sales page for this product using the IDA framework: attention, interest, desire, action. Make it punchy, conversational, and speak directly to the customer's pain point. Include a power word in the headline. This generates the actual copy. Third prompt, now rewrite that but make it shorter, maximum 150 words, and optimize it for email subject line clarity. Give me 3 variations. Boom. Now I've got an email version too. The whole thing takes maybe 15 minutes. The mistake here is asking ChatGPT to do everything at once. If you prompt it poorly, you get generic, weak copy that sounds like AI. By breaking it into 3 focused prompts, you get stronger angles and better control over the output. We're halfway through, and the next method is the one I wish I'd known about a year ago. Don't skip it. Step 3 is optimization. After I get the copy from ChatGPT, I don't just send it to the client. I edit it for the specific product and audience. This is where I earn my money. I read it out loud, seriously, to hear if it flows naturally. I replace any AI buzzwords. I add specific numbers or data if I know it. I also check for emotional language. Does it speak to the customer's fear or desire? If not, I add that in. I usually spend another 15 to 20 minutes on editing. This is crucial because raw ChatGPT output loses deals. It sounds formal or generic. But edited copy sounds like it came from a copywriter who understands the product. My clients have no idea I use ChatGPT, and they love the results. That's the game. The mistake is thinking ChatGPT is the final output. It's not. It's the first draft. You're the copywriter. Now let's talk pricing in Fiverr strategy. When I started, I set my base price at $75 for a sales page. That seemed reasonable. Wrong. I got tons of lowball offers and tire kickers. I raised it to $150. Suddenly, fewer inquiries, but every single person who reached out was serious. At $150, I was doing 3 gigs a month, that's $450. Then I added gig extras. An extra email sequence variation? $50. A/B test variations? $75. Revision limit increased to unlimited? $100. Suddenly each project was $250 to $350 instead of $150. 3 projects became $750 to $1,050. Then I realized I could take 4 to 5 projects a month if I was efficient with the ChatGPT process. That's $1,200 to $1,750. The mistake most people make is underpricing because they're new. But here's the truth, clients don't value cheap. They value fast and good. So price accordingly. Also, here's the hidden leverage, I set my availability to takes 3 days even though I deliver in 1 to 2 days. Why? Faster delivery doesn't make you more money on Fiverr. It just makes clients expect faster next time. By promising 3 days, I hit faster, they're shocked and happy, and I can actually handle more volume. The final piece is your Fiverr profile and ratings. Your gig title doesn't matter nearly as much as your review average. 4.9 stars means clients trust you. That trust converts to higher prices and repeat bookings. How do you get there? Deliver early, over-communicate, and ask happy clients to leave reviews. I send a personal message on day 1 of every project saying I'm excited to work on this. I'll have your first draft by specific date. Feel free to reach out with any questions. Then I deliver the draft early with a note, here's your draft. I built this with your customer in mind. Let me know if you'd like any tweaks. This sounds small, but it turns a transaction into a relationship. Also, I follow up after delivery, how's the copy working for you? If you get sales data, I'd love to see it. Some clients will come back months later and book you again just because you checked in. That's repeat revenue. The mistake is treating Fiverr like a fire and forget marketplace. It's not. It's a relationship business. Your profile is your reputation. Let me recap the exact blueprint. 1 is structure your gig around results, not tools. 2. Use the 3-prompt ChatGPT system to generate copy in 15 minutes. 3. Spend 20 minutes editing so it doesn't sound like AI. 4. Price at $150 plus with gig extras, and hit your availability window early to build a stellar rating. 5. Treat clients like relationships, not transactions. This system took me from $0 to $1,500 a month in about 4 months. Real timeline. Real income. Now here's your action for this week, open Fiverr, create 1 gig using this exact structure, and take your first project at $100 if you have to. The money comes after you have proof that people will buy. Once you've got 3 5-star reviews, you raise prices. That's the path. Now I want to know which of these methods are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one, and I reply to anyone willing to put in the work. And if you found this valuable, subscribe. I drop a new AI money method every single week. Next week I'm covering how to scale a ChatGPT copywriting business to $5,000 a month with cold outreach. Don't miss it.